In this video, we will discuss the 5 best wet-dry vacuum cleaners on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you'd like to learn more about these products, don't forget to check the links in the description below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Uwant Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This Uwant Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a smart, powerful solution for effortless hard floor cleaning. Its robust 18,000 pass suction combined with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping makes it ideal for removing dust, debris, and wet messes in one go. Thanks to built-in smart AI, it automatically adjusts suction and water flow based on your floor's condition while also giving you control with 3 water output levels. This vacuum recovers up to 95% of dirty water, leaving your floors nearly dry and spotless. With a 180 DG layflet design and dual-edge cleaning, it easily reaches under furniture and into tight corners. The odor removal system ensures your home stays fresh, even if the dirty tank is left unattended. Its long-lasting wireless battery provides uninterrupted cleaning for the whole house, even extending to patios. Maintenance is hassle-free with a self-cleaning function and hot air drying. The push-in dock design adds convenience, especially for older users or anyone looking for a no-lift solution. This vacuum delivers smart, comprehensive floor care that truly feels effortless. Number 2. MOVA Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This wet-dry vacuum cleaner brings professional-level cleaning into your home with impressive versatility and smart technology. Its 180 DEG lie-flat design allows you to easily reach under sofas, beds, and cabinets, effortlessly slipping into gaps as narrow as 5.5 inches. The 90 DEG swivel adds even more flexibility, making tight turns around table legs and corners a breeze. With powerful 18,000 PA suction from a high-speed 104,000 RPM motor, the M10 handles wet and dry messes across surfaces without compromise. Dual-edge cleaning ensures nothing is missed along baseboards, while the innovative tangle-free brush system prevents hair buildup for a smoother, low-maintenance experience. After each clean, the brush self-cleans with 167 DEF hot water and dries silently in just 15 minutes, keeping it fresh and ready for the next use. Smart dirt detection technology automatically adjusts suction power based on debris levels, optimizing both battery life and cleaning performance. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, the MOVA M10 is designed to clean large spaces efficiently, offering a truly effortless, hands-free experience. Number 3. Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner delivers a seamless 3-in-1 cleaning experience by vacuuming, mopping, and washing your floors all at once. Ideal for busy households, especially those with kids or pets, this cordless machine tackles both wet and dry messes with ease. Its smart detection system adjusts suction automatically, ensuring optimal power where it's needed most, whether you're cleaning up spills or everyday debris. The self-propelled and lightweight design, weighing under 9.5 lbs, makes it easy to move between rooms and upstairs without strain. Its self-cleaning system kicks in with the press of a button, so you never have to touch a dirty brush roller again. With a generous 50-minute runtime on a single charge, the Ultenic covers large areas without interruption. The digital display and voice prompts keep you informed on battery life, cleaning mode, and maintenance reminders. Number 4. Dreame H14 Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Dreame Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner redefines floor cleaning by combining powerful suction and precise mopping in a single effortless step. Designed for hardwood, tile, and marble, it eliminates the need to vacuum before mopping, tackling sticky spills, crumbs, and grime in one pass while leaving your floors streak-free and spotless. Its smart glide wheel system moves feel nearly weightless, providing self-propulsion based on your direction to reduce fatigue and arm strain. With Smart Dirt Detect, it intelligently adjusts suction power and water flow in real time, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. The built-in detergent tank dispenses just the right amount of cleaner, and one fill can last up to a month. After use, the 140 DEG self-cleaning system sterilizes the brush and pipes, with fast or quiet drying options to suit your schedule. An LED headlight and 180 DEG lie-flat design ensure you reach dirt hiding in the darkest, tightest corners. Number 5. JONR Ed 12 Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The JONR Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner delivers an all-in-one solution for deep, effortless floor cleaning. With 2 versatile modes, it tackles sticky messes and dirt in a single pass. No need for pre-cleaning. Ideal for various hard floors like tile, marble, laminate, and mosaic, it leaves surfaces spotless and refreshed. The three-sided, ultra-narrow edge design allows it to clean right up against walls and into tight corners with ease, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Its one-touch self-cleaning system uses hot water and bi-directional rolling to effectively remove grime and oil buildup, while the integrated hot air drying function eliminates odors and keeps the unit ready for the next use. A serrated brush scraper directs hair and debris to the dirty water tank. Front-wheel drive adapts to your movement, making it easy to push and pull without strain. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.